All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course, and we just finished up our data visualization module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, I didn't know that we were going to finish it that quick. I thought there was more to it, but we actually finished it yesterday. So we're going to move on. And we do have some background music today, so I'm going to talk as much as I can to drown that out so we don't get copyrighted. But this is the data visualization module here. Let me show you that we finished it. As you can see, this was the end of it. Move down. Yep, that was it. All the images we did yesterday of the parasitized and uninfected cell images was that. So we started our malaria data processing module. So let's have a look at what we went over today. And that's going to be this here as soon as I get it over. So here we will be going over the data processing for our malaria data. I already imported everything we needed, all our tensors, our numpy, matplotlib, and all of that stuff. Our data set got imported over, and we started taking notes. So at this point, we'll be diving into data processing. Our data processing unit from now on will be made of two parts. The first part will be the resizing part. So if we have an input image of, let's say, 102 by 102 as width and height, we would have this. So this is the image we would have with 102 by 102 for width and height. And we're going to transform this into an image of a fixed width and fixed height. That's this here. We're transforming this into this. Now, with that said, all our images, irrespective of their width and height, will now just have one width and one height. In this case, we'll consider an image size of 224. So our width and our height will be converted to 224. And that's what this will look like here. So we go from 102 to 224 to 224. And subsequently, we'll see why we are picking this image size of 224. After this resizing, our next part will be on normalization. So we have an input image, which we will normalize such that all the data falls in a given range. Now I'm going to stop that for now because we did just start the module and I don't want to get too far ahead without actually explaining everything deeply or understanding everything deeply on my own. So yeah, we're going to cut it here and pick it back up tomorrow. We did just start the data processing unit or the data processing module inside of malaria diagnosis. So yeah, looking forward to that. And I will keep you guys posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.